In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit in Ctrader. Before we begin, it helps to know that deposits aren't made directly inside the Ctrader app. Instead, you fund your trading account through your broker's secure client portal, and then your balance appears in Ctrader. So the process starts with confirming who your broker is and making sure you're using their official website or mobile app. Check that you're logging into the correct regional site, and take a moment to confirm your account's base currency so you understand any potential conversion. Next, sign into your broker's client portal. These are your broker credentials, not your Ctrader platform login. Use a secure connection, and if your broker offers two-factor authentication, it's a good idea to enable it for extra protection. Some brokers may require your profile to be verified before accepting deposits. So if you see a prompt to complete verification, follow their guidance. Once you're in the portal, look for the funding area. It might be labeled deposit, add funds, cashier, wallet, or finance. Open that section to start the deposit process. Choose the payment method that suits you best. Common options include bank cards, bank transfers, and popular e-wallets. Check the estimated processing time, any fees, and the currency supported by that method. Many brokers require that the payment method be in your own name, and some methods have minimums or daily limits. If your account is in a different currency, the portal may show a conversion rate before you proceed. Now select the specific Ctrader trading account you want to fund. If your broker shows multiple accounts or a wallet plus trading accounts, make sure you pick the Ctrader account you plan to trade from. Confirm the base currency, and if available, whether you're depositing directly or moving funds from an internal wallet to the account. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Double-check the currency and confirm. Depending on the method, you may need to complete 3D Secure, authorize with your bank, or follow on-screen instructions for a bank transfer. Keep a copy of the confirmation screen or transaction ID. It's helpful if you need to track the payment later. Finally, open or refresh Ctrader. Launch the platform or reload it to update your balance. You should see the new funds under your account's equity or cash balance. If the deposit doesn't appear right away, check the funding or transaction history in your broker's portal and note the typical processing time. Card and e-wallet deposits can be near instant, while bank transfers may take 1 to 3 business days. If it exceeds the expected time frame, contact your broker's support with your transaction details.